Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the GPU benchmark test comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus Realme GT Neo 2 device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers, asked me to just compare only the GPU benchmarks. So that's the reason I thought of using this application, which is pretty useful to compare both phones regarding the GPU performance only, because both phones do have a different kind of GPUs, which is Adreno 650 versus Mali G77. As you can see in terms of the GPU results, let's see how much score we can actually expect between these both phones when comparing side by side. That's what my main idea of comparing between these both phones. So you can see there is no background running applications at this moment in both phones. So let's see friends how much benchmark score we can actually get comparing this between these both phones. Let's start the test at same time. Let's see. And while I'm doing this kind of benchmark test, you will be able to see real-time FPS what we are getting in this application. What is the minimum FPS and what is the maximum FPS. You can actually see clearly what is going on, and average FPS what it's maintaining as well during this process of demonstration. So in case if you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below friends. Definitely I'll be able to help you out regarding the doubts what you're having on this device. So I did do plenty of comparison using this Realme GT Neo 2 with other phones, but few users they are really interested in this kind of Mali GPU versus Adreno GPU, which will be having what kind of results and what kind of benchmark effects. So that's what this video is about, and we'll be able to see the exact results right now. And in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to check out the playlist. The playlist will give a clear idea what is going on between these devices. So this test won't take much time friends. I think this test will take only maybe close to 1 to 2 minutes of testing. That's it. It won't be that much kind of big test. So right now I think we should be able to finish this test. This should be the last stage, and you can try to observe the minimum and average FPS of it's maintaining during this time. Right now we'll be able to see the exact difference what is going on, and we got the benchmark results about close to 13 lakhs we got in the Realme X1 Max and 17 lakhs in the Realme GT Neo 2. So it doesn't matter how many times I do the testing, still I'm getting the similar kind of results in this Realme GT Neo 2 in terms of the benchmark wise. You can clearly see here the difference between Adreno 650 and Mali GPU, how much it is there. And in case if you are having any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below friends. Definitely I'll be able to help you out. And this is a GPU benchmark application which is available in the Play Store, and you can download and you can test for yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and let's do more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.